Okay, Fisher and Paykel Dishwasher Disassembly. So just a quick one today. Essentially I've just sort of pulled this apart and wrecked it because I think I'm going to throw it away, but anyway, so I've got it lying on its side. Be a good idea to drain all the water from the drainage hoses first, because I ended up getting water everywhere. But more or less, here's the top. On the back side of this, you can see I've broken all the clips, but there's some screws here, which is screwed in here. This is the back of the dishwasher. So you undo those, and then opening the door, under here is a little clip, and I assume that there is supposed to be a screw in there. Mine didn't have any. And they screw into here. But basically what happens is you undo the screws at the back, and then you push this forward because the clips are shaped like this. So then that should release it. My one was quite stiff and I didn't know how it worked, so I broke it. But essentially those clips fit into these slots here. So you just undo the screws at the back and push the front forward and it should come off. Once you've done that, then there's a few screws in the side panels. So you can see them there, and there. And then at the bottom of the side panel is a little clip here, which if we look at this one here, you can see, let's see if I can just get that up. Just a second. Okay, so sorry, looking from the front of the dishwasher. So that we're trying to get this side panel off. There's a, so you undo all the screws around the outside and the back, and there's a clip here. So that clip just needs, this piece of steel needs to be pushed backwards, which could be done with a screwdriver. And then that should release the side panel, which can come off. And then once the side panels are off, you can release the bottom panel, which is that thing, which just has some screws in it. The reason I'm taking this apart is because we had an error code E20, which was a drainage error. So checking just for kinks in the hoses. The drain hose is this one, comes in here, up around here. This hose connects here with this clamp on it. You just squeeze the clamp, pull that off. So checking for blockages all the way up through here. And then the pump is here. This is the impeller. This basically sits on these little clips here. Sorry, one-handed. Just put that back on so I can show you. It has a little clip here. Focus. Little clip there. Sliders on me. Pushing that down will allow this whole unit to turn counterclockwise, which will release it. So I'll just do that again. So pushing the clip down and turning it. and then it will come off. And so checking in here, make sure that this is spinning, there's no blockages in here, and then going from the other side of this, this is the first thing that you would check, would be in here, make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, hopefully that's possibly helpful for someone.